No matter what you're hoping to accomplish in the business or investment space, or what your legal challenges may be, there is always a way to overcome obstacles and to build a successful business and investment portfolio both domestically and across borders with the right team. You just need to know the rules so you can play the game properly and ultimately play to win. What can you gain from my challenging story? And not everybody knows this story, and I was not very public about it for a while, but now I'm much more public and we'll talk a little about it. So I wanted to pursue my dream life in America. I was living in Toronto. I had a comfortable life, but I wanted more, and I definitely wanted to never shovel snow again. I wanted to live in the sunshine, pave a path to a more secure future, and access a broader economy with more opportunity to have a greater impact. So I wanted more from life, and soon after earning my law degree in Toronto, I went to Osgoode. I realized that I wanted to explore opportunities south of the border, and I knew the journey would be long and demanding, but I was determined to achieve my goals. And those of you that know me know that I am pretty determined and I don't kind of let anything stand in my way. But you know what happens to anyone. Several years ago, my whole world was instantaneously turned upside down when my husband at the time was deported on the return trip from our honeymoon to Thailand. Yes, it's true, I've been there myself. To say that I was devastated at the time would be an understatement. But the silver lining of that experience is that it inspired me to dive deeply into the complex world of immigration and international law, which I have now turned into my life's work, truly. I'm also a Canadian who has achieved the American dream myself since immigrating to the US from Canada over 2 decades ago, and I now maintain dual citizenship in both countries. After figuring out how to help myself navigate this complicated process, I felt compelled to share my experience with others to help them avoid a similar fate. I knew I could make a bigger difference and also help more people avoid the pain and heartbreak that I experienced both on a personal and professional level. So where am I now? That was me, I think last week at the beach. I go to the beach at least every few days. I don't live on the beach yet, but one day I will have a condo on the beach for sure. I live in sunny Florida. I operate a 7-figure business. I've secured my worldwide assets, and I've achieved location and financial freedom. And I get to travel freely. My brother, sister-in-law, and their 3 kids are driving down from Toronto to go on a 5-day cruise. Wasn't really in my plan. And they said, "Do you want to come?" I said, "Not really." Because we just were on an 11-day cruise, but I don't get to see my family very much. So I'm going with my laptop in tow. I get to work on the cruise, and you know what? I love it. That gives me freedom. And that's the type of lifestyle that I want. I get to basically be anywhere in the world with that laptop lifestyle that so many people just talk about. And my team of experts and I are here for you. You don't have to figure this out all on your own, and you shouldn't even try. With the right team, you can achieve your goals easily and successfully. I'm Lauren Cohen, and my vision is a world where you can invest, live, work, and play across borders.